I just pulled up to Fern's crib. Spending the night. We're finna shoot some birds in the morning. And I just realized I fucking forgot my Hydra on my crib, but this motherfucker definitely got me with some water, am I right?
Nah.
Fuck you. Fucking James English. James Spanish. You're like the more American version of Charles Nelson.
That's why. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What the fuck are we gonna get into? Alright, we'll see y'all inside. Good morning, stupid asses. We finna go to the gym right now, hit some legs with some birds. The boys taking 10 years to find some shoes. But we got Kim K in the background, you know what I'm saying? The baddie. Good booty.
What the fuck are you looking at?
Kim K. It's a little sus, right?
That's us.
It's fucking sus. Fuck. Got me there, buddy. Alright, we'll see y'all right now with the birds. Peace.
Only say you love me when they on my bed, your girl. Only say you love me when you want me and me. When they on my bed, your girl. Only say you love me when they on my bed, your girl. Only say you love me when you want me and me.
song's hard.
I put too much. Ah! Fuck me, dude. I put too much water. I couldn't fucking.
Oh! I fucking love this song!
Grind!
Press rewind when I'm not with you.
Oh, Cat.
Girl, you got me hoping for a reason. Maybe not a sign. So why can't we just pause and press rewind when I'm not?
You don't want to play gap.
Yes, I do.
Get a little warm up.
I don't want.
Introduce yourself to the birds. Introduce yourself. What's your
I
at?
guess. What?
What's
It's
your
your
at?
vlog?
What's your at?
No one's gonna fucking answer.
No one's gonna follow you guys.
Far?
Lazy ass motherfucker.
Look at a lot of people today.
Okay. Come on, Emmy. What are you doing back there? What are you doing back there, bruh? Good work, Audie.
Jesus Christ.
God, you're weak. Golly, alright, we just finished some leg day. Shit, I just threw up. Gotta push yourself sometimes. Make yourself fucking die. Show you the video. Shit's fucking hilarious. Holy shit, man. Push yourself. Oh, fuck. Bruvy?
You do it like, what was it, like 3 times?
Yeah, definitely like 3 times, bro. Sheesh. Hey, if you ain't pushing yourself that hard, then you're a fucking pussy. You know what I'm saying?
Hey! Hey!
Hey! What's good? Hey, say what's up to the vlog, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, let's get a workout soon.
This
I
nigga.
bet.
Hey, bet. Great answer, bro. Ooh. Where's the birds at? Where the birds at? Scale 1 to 10, what do you guys rate my throw up?
Solid 7.
Yeah.
A solid 9.
Fuck yes, guys. Woo! Alright, bro, so another reason why I never want to have a daughter, she doesn't know how to fucking put gas in. So, gotta be a gentleman. My parents taught me. Pop your gas thing open, please. You gotta put gas in it for her, bro. Oh. God damn. Oh, you just fucking put that shit in? Oh, what the? Yo, this shit's weird. Call me if you fucking ever seen something like this. You just fucking play with the hole and shit, bro. Like it's a fucking coochie. What the hell? Audie, how do you not know how to put gas in?
I've never done it. My dad does it for me.
We're gonna meet with the birds at Chipotle. I don't fuck with Chipotle like this. We got some Chick-fil-A. Gotta count the macros though. Grilled chicken nuggies. You get 40 grams of protein, 200 calories. Like what? I think it was like 3 grams of fat for fucking a 12 count. Hell yeah. The macros are immaculate, bro. Nasty ass Chipotle.
You guys walk? I can't walk right now.
No, it fucking hurts, and my back hurts like a lot.
I'm fucking dying.
That's what you get for fighting like that.
For real.
I told you it was
Yeah.
gonna hurt. I told her it was gonna hurt.
What did I do?
Squat wrong.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't when I
They're fire,
squatted.
bro. They're so juicy.
It wasn't when I
That's what she
squatted.
said.
It wasn't when I squatted. It was when I did like that leg thing.
When?
Friend, I don't like talking to you.
Did I ask?
Got her ass.
You guys are mean.
So dumbass up.
How many calories does this fucking sauce have, though?
I don't know. Kind of
What
great.
is that? Is that the grilled?
Yeah.
Try to eat in peace, right?
Look how bomb
That
this
shit
is.
actually looks appetizing.
Look how bomb this is.
I can't even get a fucking flick of that hoe. That looks disgusting, bro.
It looks good.
That's what she said.
Tasty. Alright, so the debate right now is if females like good guys or dickheads more. They all say they like
I'm gonna
good
say
guys.
mean guys.
No,
Mean
nice guys.
Mean guys.
I like nice, but with like a little bit of heat, like a twist.
These motherfuckers are capping their ass off, bro.
No.
No, like I like
Yep.
when they're nice, but then they can also take jokes like being mean. Like,
Just nice to me. It has to be mean to everyone.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take
no.
a joke and slap the fuck out of you. Is that nice or no?
no, I'm saying like a mean guy, but he only has a soft spot